Question 11 is telling us the coordinates of the endpoints of a line segment and asking us to determine the slope of a line segment parallel to this segment. So we know that for lines to be parallel, they have to have the exact same slope. So to answer this question, we can just find the slope of the line with the endpoints that have been given, and that's going to be the same as the slope of any line segment parallel to it. So let's look at the points we've been given. We have A at x equals 3 and y equals 6, and point B at x equals 7, y equals 10. So I'm just going to assign these 2 points x and y values. So I'm going to say this is x1 and this is y1. This is x2 and y2. And so let's find the slope of this line segment. So we know the slope is equal to rise over run of a line segment, which is the same as saying the change in the y values between 2 points over the change in the x values between 2 points. So we can rewrite this as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And it actually doesn't matter if you subtract the x2 and y2 from the x1 and y1. We just have to keep it consistent so that you always have 2 coming first or 1 coming first. And that will give you the right answer in the end. All right, so if we plug in our x and y values from the 2 points we've been given, y2 is 10 and y1 is 6. So we have 10 minus 6 on the top. Our x2 is 7, and our x1 is 3. So we have 7 minus 3 on the bottom. I'm just going to continue this down here. This equals 10 minus 6 is 4 on the top, and 7 minus 3 is 4 on the bottom. Perfect. That gives us an even 1. So the slope of our line is 1. And any line segment parallel to this one will also have a slope of 1. That's our answer. And you can see that if we had switched the order in which we were subtracting these, so if we had done y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, we would have gotten 6 minus 10 over 3 minus 7, and this would give us -4 over -4, which would still give us our right answer of a slope of 1. So that's why it doesn't matter which one of these points you label as point 1 or point 2 in the end. If you keep it consistent which one you're starting out with when you subtract, you're going to get the right answer in the end.